Hey, welcome back. My name is Patrick, and we are still working on my 1969 Plymouth Fury. In the last episode, we got the engine back in the car, so very exciting, and equally exciting, and I'm really happy to show you. I got these pair of headers, and I thought for sure that I was going to have some clearance issues, but look at this. I got lots of room here to the steering column, so no issues there. I don't see anything from the bottom. It might be a little close to the starter. I don't know. We'll see. But hopefully everything will work out. Those are Sanderson headers, DD7s on this 318. So very excited. It could be that these are bolt-on with no issues. So we're going to just press forward and see how that works out. In this episode, I'm really just going to start underneath the car. I'm going to dive down. I've got a list here. We're going to do exhaust delete because new headers, new exhaust. So this had a single exhaust in it before. We're going to get some dual exhaust in it. I got those on their way now. Pretty excited about that. Transmission pan, drive shaft, trans linkage, trans cooler lines, things of that nature. Anything I can do under the car, we're going to get that going today. So thanks for watching, and let's see what happens here. Let's do it. Guess we'll add those to the collection. Alright, that guy is going to go there. This is going to go here somehow. Let's get one of these washers off. Get it in the hole. Yeah. It seems okay. Put that guy back. Put this clip in. Any reason why I shouldn't put the clip in? Any reason? Going once, going twice. I'm putting in the clip. We're clipping it. Alright, now I have a hole in my finger. Is it in? It's in. Okay. Woo, that header is close. But I think we're alright. I think we're okay. That looks like where it wants to go. Alright, now what? Hold off for a second. This is all starter stuff. We could put in a starter. What would that hurt? Got to put this cover on and then the starter. Yeah, let's do that because starter might be more of a pain after I get these cooler lines in. Okay, starter's next. That is not funny. There we go. That makes sense. I think. All right, let's see. This goes here, actually. That's what we figured out. It's so close. Oh no. Nope. Third time's the charm. Third time's the charm. Here we go. Maybe. That'll do it. That'll do it. Good enough for now. How I remember. Need a pin. Can't forget that. All right. Red. Whew. All right, so far, exhaust delete is done. Transmission pan, it looks like I put a pretty good sized dent in it with my jack. Oops. But I'm gonna get a new gasket for that, and we'll do that one later. Drive shaft, done. Trans linkage, done for now. Trans cooler lines are in. Sweet. So I think we'll move to the top side of the car for a bit. So I was just looking at this hose right here. I didn't find one online. It goes right here. And it was a little longer before. I just cut off the junk. And I think it's going to work. Now I got the squishy parts. So I don't know. We'll see. Magic happening between these guys. There's a relationship. We'll have to figure that out. This is ground. Alright, I think we're probably going to call it for this episode. We did a whole bunch here, both underneath the car and on top, so we made some really good progress. Underneath the car, we got rid of the old exhaust, so that's gone. We hooked up all the linkages, trans-cooler lines, transmission controls. I do not have my adapter yet for my carburetor, so we're just waiting on that. Once that comes in, we'll be able to do some more. We did drop in the distributor, all the wiring for that, did some hoses, and figured out the electrical wiring, so all that is situated. Still to come, I still need to do something with the water intake and temperature. Need to do the oil pressure gauge there for inside the car. Need to figure out if I'm going to paint or powder coat the headers. And of course all the accessories up front. And then all the cooling system. So still lots to do. Thank you all for watching, and we'll catch you next time.